Make $1,000 a day with Google News. Hello and welcome back to another video here on the e-commerce know-how channel. In this video, we will show you how you can make money from Google News. Now, making money from Google News may be something you've never heard before. So without wasting any time, let's get straight into it and show you how to do it. So the first thing you want to do is hop onto Google Search and type in Google News in the search bar. Once you search Google News, you will want to click on the first official website when you search Google News. This is the place where you can find the latest news and information on all the topics around the world. So it's like a newspaper, and you can find everything on here. News about politics, sports, entertainment, technology, lifestyle, and all the news categories are available on this website. Now, how will this make you money? How can you get your money by using this website? Well, stay tuned, and you will see exactly how this works. On the left-hand side, you can see all the categories. You have news about the world. This is about what's happening in the world right now. You have your own local news as well, but you simply want to focus on business, technology, entertainment, sport, science, and mostly health. You can see, for example, if we select the health category, that's going to give us all the latest news and all the latest articles related to health. So let's scroll and find something interesting on this website. You need to find recent and interesting articles that you think a lot of people would click on. So what you need to do is open up that article. Don't worry, you won't have to sell anything. This has nothing to do with affiliate marketing, CPA's marketing, or whatsoever. All you need to do is open up that article and start copying text from that article. Once you copy the text, you can proceed to step number 3. Our next step is to now check the article you just copied. Clean it up a little, delete some unnecessary stuff, and edit it a bit wherever possible. Now, if you possess basic English skills, this won't be a tough job. You can then proceed the next step. Your next step involves searching for a paraphrasing tool on the web. A good website is Paraphraser.io. Once on this website, all you have to do is paste your edited article in the box provided and click on Paraphrase Now. The website will now check your article to see if it is copied or not, and will let you know how similar it is to articles on the web. The higher the percentage is after the process is complete, the more the article is a copy. Now don't worry, you can fix that by choosing the Rephrase tool on the same website. The Rephrase tool will change a few common words on your text and make it unique. Once you paste the rephrased article in the Paraphrase tool, you can now see the percentage drop drastically and the new article is unique. Your work is not done yet, and the new article you just rephrased needs to be checked by you once again. Your next step involves you passing your article through a grammar tool and checking for errors. Your best friend here is Grammarly. Just download the Grammarly extension on your Chrome browser and pass your article for a test. Once you do this, the Grammarly tool will automatically fix the grammar and spelling issues with your article, and you are now free to move on to the final step, and that is selling your articles for money. Since our niche is food and health, the first website we would like to suggest is easywool.com. You can write articles for this website and get paid for doing that. Now, instead of you doing all the work and writing the articles yourself, you can simply use Google News and the Rephrase tool to create high-quality articles, and they will pay you up to $1 per word. Now, this is only the first website. We have another 2 websites for you that will pay you for writing articles. Now on this website, you get paid $1 per word, which means if you write an article of 1,000 words, you can get paid $1,000 just for writing one article. Now, how do you actually submit articles so you can get paid? Here on the page, you just need to scroll a little bit down below until you find the section where you can find their contact information. So you can just copy the email address, go to your email, and just email them with a subject line telling submission or article submission, or something along those lines, and just attach the file with your own article, which you just wrote. Once you send out the email, they will review it, and if they like it, they will ask you for your payment details. You will have to tell them if you want to get paid via PayPal, Payoneer, or bank transfer. You will tell them your PayPal email address through mail. Your options are endless because there are new articles coming onto Google News every couple of hours. There are tons of categories, and you can choose your preferred category. If you love sports, choose sports, entertainment, and so on. All you have to do is copy, rewrite it using Rephrase, save it on your device in a Google Docs or Word document, and then sell it to the different websites. You can also sell your articles on other websites like Sierra, Club.org. Just take a look at their website. In order to submit articles on this website, just follow these instructions that you see on the home page of the website. You can also contact them with the email address on their website. All you want to do is copy their email and go over to your email and contact them and sell your article. Of course, they will review your work, and if they like it, they will contact you and ask for your payment details. This website accepts articles related to science and technology, so you will need to copy science-related articles from Google News. The last website we will talk about is dailyjstore.org. You can go through their submission guidelines, and you can read more about how it works. This website will pay you a little less money, but it's still a great one to use because your chances of being accepted are higher. You can thus maximize your income with this strategy. That brings us to the end of the video. Hope you enjoyed it. Thanks for watching.